There we go. Okay, I'm still having not really problems, but yeah, I'm still having some sort of cultural shock for OBS itself because I've been using Streamlabs for a long time, and I heard from everyone else that OBS is quote unquote better to be used than Streamlabs. I don't know if it's just me or what, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, but I don't know. I can't say it, but there's some things. So I figured out how to install Cocoapods here. It's basically I just had to install it using Brew itself, and I could run it now. So let's see if I could pod init and pod install. It's as easy as that. I guess should be. Wait, what? The pod file does not contain any dependencies, but yeah, I guess pretty much. Yeah, workspace is already here. So I just need to reopen it, and actually Firebase is also done here. So let's just add the Firebase analytics in here. Probably the Swift beta itself. And Firestore, let's add Firestore here. Let's use the Swift beta as well. And finally, I'm so curious about this combine thingy. I mean, probably uses the async stuff. I need to learn about combine as well in the future. So let's add crash lyrics as well, and that's it. Add package. So now that we have them, pods. What do we have here? Wait, where are the package dependencies? Oh no, they're not added. Let's just stop it. Reopen it as the XC workspace, and yeah, let's do it again one last time. It should be fast now because we have already done the caching. So I also wanted to test the Dart, what they called it again, Flutter. Well, it works of course, but I can't get Android emulator to run in this particular setup because I think there are limits to do this. I mean, most of the Hackintosh, at least before this time, probably some few years ago or something, Hackintosh is only running on Intel systems, and I'm just probably lucky lucky enough to have it ready for AMD already. AMD is a very great competitor, you know, nowadays. If you've watched a lot of videos from Linus and other tech tubers, you should know about how AMD is overtaking Intel in almost everything. But yeah, just recently, I haven't followed the news that much, but we heard about the Intel Alder Lake or something, and I believe they are already running so much better than any, even the M1 themselves. But well, I don't know why they are trying to compare M1 and that Alder Lake CPU. I mean, Alder Lake CPU is an x86 CPU as well, if I'm not wrong. Well, because I'm assuming that I'm not wrong due to the fact that most of the oh, you can actually have this. What the hell? So what was I saying? Firebase Firestore. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So Alder Lake, I assume that it's x86 due to the fact that it's built by Intel, and Apple is the sole. I guess probably not but Apple is standing on top of the ARM chips right now, I guess. And the ARM chip market, I guess. Apple Silicon M1, one of the best, or probably the best chip you could have right now. Even if, yeah, it's not as strong as those crazy i9s or AMD Threadrippers or whatever. I don't know. But in the consumer level market, it is the most efficient and the cheapest probably. I mean, you can buy a Mac Mini M1 for around $600, $500 standpoint, I guess. In Philippines, it's around 37,990, 37,000, almost 40,000. You could have that small of a PC, or a Mac rather, and it's stronger than my current setup here. And it's very, very energy efficient as well. I mean, a lot of tech tubers that I saw in YouTube have been saying that they can't even hear the fans running from Mac Mini because it doesn't have to. It's hard to push it to its limits or something like that. So yeah, I think this is ready. Wait, why am I running it on my iOS device again? I guess I want to see the build time while I'm streaming, if it actually slows down or something. Where was I? Yeah. So about the M1s. Shit. I guess if you observe the performance per watt as the standard, I guess, or I guess where you can base your rankings on. I see that I can see the Apple M1 is the best one. For a few wattage they consume, you have this crazy ass power already. Your MacBook can run up to 11 hours, 15, 12. I don't know I don't accurately know the number of hours you can run those MacBooks without even charging, but yeah, it's around those figures. So I don't want to make a, don't quote me on this, because yeah, I've been watching a lot of YouTubers and I can't memorize the numbers, so yeah, but that's all that I know about it. So when you compare it to a regular Intel MacBook, the Intel MacBook runs fairly slow, and what else I can say, and it's hot. Yeah, that's the very big issue there. It's freaking hot. Hotter than your girlfriend, so yay, it built. But can it run while on Wi-Fi? This is one thing that I haven't tested, so I want to test running it. Oh, okay. Oh, it did install. Interesting. Let's just delete. I don't know if this will work, but let's try to delete and run it. You can't see it on the screen right now because I can't even have it reflected. I don't know how I'll do it. I guess I can actually have it here. Let me see if it will work. Oh, it works. Huh. So let's wait for it. Yay, it works. It's weird, but it works. Yatta! So there's a... Oh, it's not recorded, but yeah, there's a prompt here to allow store location app. To use your location, this app will use your location to look for the stores near you while using this app. Okay, there you go. Oh no, that's ducks. That's doxing. I doxed myself, so never mind. I don't really care. Go to my house, bring me money. Blah blah. So yeah, that's basically it, and I think that really works. So let's close it. What else? So that's it. Let's go back to the Pro Max. So supposedly I was going, the main point of having the Cocoapods was to add the pods. Did I remember it? Well, there you go. I don't know why IB animatable is not working properly inside the Swift package, so that's why I prefer to use Cocoapods instead. So once I'm done with that, let's run the pod install. I forgot to actually add it here, but yeah, let's run it 15.0 or maybe 14.4. I don't know. You cannot run this app unless you have an iOS 15, so oh, Chotto. Why? Okay, I never encountered this on my development before. Temporary solution? What? Okay then, let's try this. So yeah, I could technically do some Xcode tutorials here. Wait, what? Ah, it ran. Okay, of course. I forgot that I actually initiated the run there. So let's try to observe the activity monitor as well. It's kind of like the task manager for Windows, so yeah. Swap used. Oh, it's using 172.5 megabytes of swap. Okay. Takatondon taday tanawa. Kimin ano ka na? Chika ano ka na? Agatay no ni mata. So I downloaded this app last night called SWB audio app. So this will probably help me, probably. Oh, it's not working. I'm disappointed. So where were we? Is it still running? My god, that's freaking slow. So this is one issue with the Hackintosh. I think I can't properly connect to my Wi-Fi, and it's running slow. Why are you so slow? Guess while waiting for that, I'll try to run this. I wonder what Axio is. I haven't tried using this at all. Yeah, fuck it. This is how you install the package here. So just copy the git link and yeah, roll on. I don't know why it's running very slow though, the Cocoapods, so it's kind of stuck here. I wonder if I actually change my. Oh my god, that's gonna that's gonna interrupt my stream, so I'm not gonna change the VPNs. But it's running really slow. I need to fix this shit. Adding spec repo trunk with CDN. Oh, it worked. What the hell happened earlier though? Okay, so I guess I'll remove IB animatable from the packages now, since I've already there we go. And also I almost forgot, but we need to initialize Firebase here. So let's have it here. Firebase. What was it again? Firebase app. Yeah. That configure? No. Oh, there you go. I think that should be it. And it should work now. I hope. Yes. Oh. Ah! Oh my god. Apparently Xcode crashed. I don't know why. This is gonna be the deciding factor for me if I want to buy the M1 Mac Mini soon or later. If I could actually run these things using my PC. Or rather if using my PC can, as a Mac, can boost my productivity, then I'll delay buying the M1 product. Okay, so oh my god, I didn't read the crash. What the hell happened there? But anyway, okay, let's try to add some things here, like a button. You might want to have a stack view for it here, and the stack view should stick on the top. Then you have some sort of buttons here. Let's make it default, and yeah, let's make it circular as well. So let's make it 40, I think, with an aspect ratio 1:1. Then yeah, make it an animatable button. I don't have an and an American accent. That's why. So make 20. Fit it with color. Maybe black, white. What's a good color? Let's just use system green. Wait, what? It's not working. How about if I put it on the background instead? Will it work? I guess so. Oh shit. So apparently the changes are not reflecting. Okay. I might need to close this first, then open it again, like this. Didn't work. So image, let's use the plus button. Plus, they actually have plus circle field. Large. Then have it tinted to green. Oh shit, that's disgusting. So let's change it to dark gray. Well, that's better. It looks like a clothes button. So my god. Let's just remove this for now, and the corner radius as well, and we have it now. So it's a Sunday. Why am I working? So it has been boring, I guess, for me. There was a 2-day holiday. It was the, what is the day again? Thanksgiving holidays, I guess. Yeah. So as you can see, the button appeared on the top. So the reason why I needed to add that is to have another okay. You can have different storyboards here. So like I forgot you can actually set up the SwiftGen in here. So let's see what I can do here. You can add a SwiftGen.yml or something. So I'll teach you about the SwiftGen as well. You can use this to generate different things. So in this particular setup, we can have the IBs, the interface builders. So yeah, so directory to search for. Let's add I don't know if this will work, but yeah. /storyboards, then generate the outputs inside folder called generated, then make that folder and chapter, then run the terminal. Yes, it should work. It's not working, so SwiftGen. Okay, so the SwiftGen.yml should just be open. That. And yay, we have it. Now let's add them on the project like this, and we're good to go. Oh, chapter. items. And yeah, should have it. Let's make a farm in here. Let's Chateau. Yeah, I guess it can be okay. UI scroll view. This is one of the hardest setup. UI scroll view, because you need to make the constraint work properly. And there you go. So we have a stack view here. Align it 20. Yeah, just 20 for now. And align it vertically. Then remove the height constraint and add some text fields for now here. Let's add some placeholders just so we can tell what we are editing about. So let's see, name of business. Yeah, something like that. We have the address. Oops, let's add some space. So contact details, then a button that will save it, basically. Let's try animatable button again and add some corner radius here, then fill it up with a color, maybe system red. Yeah, system red. Let's try it. The text color should be white. And yeah, let's add some content insets just so it looks like a real button. Now I'll save. Then we can test it out in here. There's no dismiss button currently. You can add it later. So when you press the plus button here, you're gonna be met with this one. You can type anything here. Currently at this. Now what? Okay, let's have it saved. Let's name this add business view controller. So using this thing, you can assign this here, custom class, then yeah. Like that. Next is we're gonna want to Okay, I forgot to set up the Firestore in here. I need to set it up first before I can use it. Create database. Maybe let's start in test mode for now. After you set this location, you're gonna change it later. Okay. Let's just choose Asia Southeast 2. And yes, I could actually use one of my repositories here, Pat Cage. I created this like almost a month ago, I think, when I joined Hackathon. So I'll use it on this particular project. This basically just extends the oh, am I using it properly? Develop. I do have a develop branch. And also a feed text Firebase extension. I think I could use this instead. This is probably the most updated one, so wait. Or is it? Oh, it's already merged. I just forgot to remove it, so yeah. Develop bunch. Let's use the develop bunch. So basically, it is an extension of the Firebase Firestore, basically. Rather, the only extension that I have. So I could do some things like what's the matter? Could not find branch. What the fuck? How about commit? This should be public. What the hell? Yay. I also have some useful tools in here that I could use. So yeah, I named it the lamest one. So Pat Cage and Pat Base. It's all about Pat. So where do I start? Yeah, that's great. I don't know if it will work, but yeah, that's great. Codable here. Progress from business, and it conforms the codable type. Now if there's an object codable, yeah, there's an object codable, which is something that I pass on the Firebase function. So I have the contact can be anything anyway. So what happens here is can I import the part? Also, let's have a view model. What is that again? I forgot how to use this. Oh no. Okay, I forgot how to use it. Oh shit. You see my extensions here, so object cuttable, of course. Feature document, Swift cartons. So yeah, this is using Swift cartons. So read. Yeah, I think I need to create a collection type or something. So fuck. I guess let's create a collection. So. It should not build, it should fail. Yay. Wait, how do I do this? Anyway, let's just... I need to change this. So how do I use this again? It's like this. Businesses that, you know, it's supposed to be an enum, so that's why it's representable here. So you could do it like this. Collections and paste business. That's all. Don't need the fire star actually, so There's a result. Now use the lazy again here. I forgot to add a bar. Now when you tap the save button here, what happens is it will basically and you need to have the dispatch queue. Let us no start porting. I think I should have HUD async screen here. Yes, but I wonder if I do add the Right, I guess that's it. Yeah, that's right. And also let's try to observe the collection here, because every time I save, it should appear here. So, oh my god, okay. Let's name it that's okay. Address is Cocoapods. Contact is 0929090990. Save it. Oh shit, I forgot to anyway. Wait, I forgot to actually dismiss once it succeeds, so it sounds like oh fuck. Yo, so it's saved actually, so oh fuck. I actually forgot to create some sort of the coordinate system or something. But yeah, I guess that's the basics here really for this. We can create pets bar. I had a lot of businesses here, so the business was saved. When you press OK, it's gonna dismiss. Alright. So you can see it's here. It's so very straightforward to do this now. But yeah. So I would still need to have some other things, like maybe you can select a location here. You know what? I want to do it. Let me see if I can do it quickly, or how quick can I do it? Anyway. Let's make it 16:9, and yeah, I want to have some sort of labels here to tell the latitude 0.0001, and also longitude. Throw this away. I can paste. There you go. What the fuck was that? Can I put a pin or something? What are the methods from the map kit view delegate though? I guess I could use, yeah, I can use that one. Where is it again? That was did change region or something. So function. Wait, what the fuck? Yeah. So using that, we can theoretically I could change it like this. You can use this latitude. didn't actually need the view. So every time the user changes the center, this will happen. Yay. Then what else? On the view model, I think it's a double or something, if I'm not wrong. Then finally insert it as well in here. Choto. That's it. If I'm not wrong, this should work perfectly. Yeah. See? How do you? How do you fucking pinch that shit? No, I can't pinch the fuck out of it. What the fuck, dude? Ah, okay. Manal. So you have to press shift first, then move it here, then remove the shift, then yeah, pinch. What the fuck, dude? Let's pretend it's here on Robinson's, so yeah. I need to have a point of some sort. Anyway. Yeah, let's just say Pat's what do you call it again? Burger. Address is Robinson's 11. Save it, and business was saved. Wow. Now let's view it from console. It should appear. Let's delete the other ones. Finally, let's load it here. How do you add a marker again? I think I remember how to do this now. So it has to be a class. Or maybe if I just want to quick. You know what? Let's remove this for now. I forgot how to do this actually, so coordinate. So it already has a coordinate. What the? So that was a coincidence, okay. What happens here is something like this. Load businesses. Should be limited to around me, but whatever. So collections, using the collections again. Business that collection. Get documents, I guess. Wait. Query. I think I need to have a query or something. But retrieve. Okay, it was retrieve. There we go. Let businesses or then using those businesses. How do I use this again? document. So what happens here is like this. Let's put some sugar. They're not auto-filling. Shit. How do I do this again? How do I set annotations again? What the fuck, dude? Oh my god, I forgot. Add annotation. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay. So first, you're gonna have to remove all of the annotations here. And remove annotations. So I need to do that. That's so inconvenient. What the fuck? What the fuck, Apple? What are you doing, Apple? Hey, Apple. So add annotations. Yeah, I guess that's it. Did I add it on the Philippines? What the fuck? Anyway. It should work now. That was long. Alright, where do we go now? Am I still streaming? Yes, 1 hour. What the fuck? It took an hour? Where's this? You have to set the name. Okay, let's use the then. So how do I even explain this packages? So the package is not really well, it's my personal package which contains a lot of helper libraries, but this one, the then package, helps me create a very how do I describe it? Versatile. Where I don't need to create a lot of variables just to initialize a certain class. Just to configure its properties or something. So, okay, it's kind of lagging now. It's 12 gigabytes. So I don't know if this will work. Not even auto importing now. It's not appearing. How do I do this? View games. That's why. There's some sort of name. But if I'm correct, this should already have. Shot towards the Philippines. Oh, there you go. So as you can see, it's here. That's cute. Marker annotation. Title visibility. Featured lip text. Let's try the lip text, I guess. Oh, so it's already built into the MK annotation itself. Okay, understood. Could take care of it, add the subtitle in here as well. And let's put itself that title is the business address. And we're good to go. So just put Neil. Yeah. Now we'll run. Run, bitch. Oops, I forgot. Stop. I need to pass it here. Yeah, something like that. It's fairly easy. Why was I struggling? Oh! Look at that! It's working. Oh, when you press it, the subtitle appears. So, that looks cute. So, all right. See, that was good. It's kind of some. All right, that's everything. So let's try to recap what I did so far. So first, I created a project. Then I have the main here created with a map view. configure the info that we list to add the privacy, because this is required by Apple in order to use the map kit, so, or the location rather, so you could track the user. Then we have the main map view controller here, which displays the map and the markers. Then we have the add business controller, which we can use to add annotations, I guess, or businesses. Then yeah, basically it displays it using the view models are created here. And yeah, that's basically it. I also imported some packages, which includes my personal package. It contains things like, let's try to see. I should be able to see it here. Click on the package to Swift. Yeah. So we have the save SF symbol, which we can use to create type safe or import type safe symbols from the Apple library. Then we have the MB progress HUD for the HUD, which you can see when we try to load the list of maps. The fakery, which I used to mock some things. A good thing I wasn't lazy enough to create the text fields, but if I was, I will use fakery to create those type of things. Then we have the Swift date, which I can use for the Swift code to modify dates. We have the Swift coroutine, which I use for the await async things, which you can see here when I load the businesses. I don't need to use the usual code, which we the callbacks, the completion handlers, stuff like that. That is the very common practice when you code in Swift. So because they don't have a built-in await async functions, just like on Kotlin. They do have it now at 5.5, but I haven't really tried running on a lower version of it. It's gonna need the iOS 15 and above for now, so yeah. Anyway, Swift coroutine is the best thing for me for now. So then we have the Firebase, of course, to store the database, the business data. So then we have Nimble and Quick. These are used for unit testing, which I'm not currently using, so it doesn't really matter. What else? Then we have the then, which I used here in the marker annotation. So yeah, how it works is basically straightforward. So just try block. You can configure it, and it returns the object, the instance of the object which you configured here. So alright, that's it. So we were able to run it on the simulator. Pretty good. I'm happy about this, and it's faster at least faster than my MacBook. So I would like to continue developing in here until I get a Mac Mini, I guess. I'm saving up for Mac Mini though. I still prefer the M1 versions of it, probably because it's gonna be a lot faster and efficient. So, but I need to save up for at least 16 gigs, because a lot of people have been trying to avoid that 8 gig one because it's not gonna be future proof, I guess. I think 8 gig is enough, but you know, just playing it close to the best. So alright, that's it. So thank you very much if you watched this. I'm gonna see you tonight on the Web Sundays if I am going to continue to stream. So